first episode of Cooking with Coach, Cooking with Coach Boggs. I'm Miss Valverde, or Miss V, and today we're teaming up with one of our amazing student chefs, Emily Marquez, of course, and our very own, again, Coach Boggs. All right, Emily, do you want to go ahead and explain to everyone what we're making today?
So we're making gluten-free blueberry grilled cheese.
So first thing you're gonna do is take the secret instructions. We're just throwing those away. It's all up here anyways. Fun fact, so this recipe won me a competition in northern Mexico at the Unión de Baptista. So I won first place with this recipe. It's a really special recipe that I created, and it's been with me for like 10 years. So one of my favorites to share with you guys this morning. So getting some inside scoops of a winning recipe right here.
Okay, winning recipe, that's what coyotes do, right?
Mm-hmm. You take your bread, right? You wanna get some melted butter, okay? Butter melts pretty fast in the microwave if you've never done it, so about 30 seconds will do it. Okay. And you wanna go in a left to right motion. Fuller will tell you right to left, but he's not very good at cooking. So you wanna go-
never done it before.
Yeah, exactly, left to right, so go ahead and butter yours. You wanna take then that piece, you don't wanna put it butter side up, but you wanna put it butter side down on your grill.
Why?
Okay? If you listen,
Oh, sorry.
you can hear it sizzling.
Oh, sizzle.
Yeah, you gotta have that sizzle. If you don't have the sizzle, it's not hot enough yet, go ahead, I'll let you do that. Good job, wow, have you done this before?
Yeah.
That's impressive.
I'm telling you,
Okay, then you're gonna take 2 slices, okay? Now don't put them on like this, okay? Geographically, you wanna align them like this, okay? And then you're going to place it on top of your sandwich, okay? Perfect, now here's where the grilled cheese gets a little crazy, okay? We're gonna add some...
Wait, grilled cheese gets crazy?
They do. They're not just for children and sopa, right? They're for adults with complex flavor palettes who enjoy the finer things in life, such as going to Wendy's over McDonald's. Okay. And the blueberries, really, it's how sweet you want to go. You can put a ton, you can just put a few to have those subtle notes. And then lastly, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our Texas wild honey that Miss Valverde collected fresh this morning.
Fresh from the bees. I drove all the way to Texas, by the way.
She told me you could milk bees. I never knew that. But we're gonna take this. It's okay if it has a little extra butter on it. We're gonna dab some of this honey, and we're just gonna do an artsy fartsy drizzle. Right? Notice this.
We need to use that artsy fartsy next time.
Notice the circular motion, right? Like I'm Picasso. Okay, we're not Pollock, we're Picassos. Go ahead. It's very good. See the circular motion? See how it evenly distributes the honey?
I feel like you need some kind of like sound effect with this.
Yeah. Let's hear the sound effect first.
Now,
Cheese.
take your second slice, and we're gonna prepare it, okay? We're gonna get a little of the excess honey off. We don't want it too sweet. Your ex wasn't that sweet either. We're gonna dab in the butter. We're gonna just put it on. Did I mention I won a cooking competition with this grilled cheese? Amazing, right? First place.
First place.
First place.
Wow.
All right, so, question. How long should we cook our grilled cheeses?
I'd say maybe like a minute.
A minute? So it really depends, right? So some people prefer theirs more crunchy, right? And so you want to let it cook longer. Some like it more softer. It really just depends like kind of what person you are. So if you let it cook too long, you're a little bitter, heartbroken over the ex, right? You go too fast, it tells me you haven't really moved on. So you want to find that perfect golden spot where you're ready to move on with your life and with your sandwiches. And so see how the cheese is starting to sweat, right? Yeah. And melt towards the thing, towards the grill. That's what we want, the perfect angle of cheese dippage and sweatage. So in there you'll find the perfect ratio. Okay. So we're gonna just take a quick, all right, just a little longer, like I said.
Just enough to get over.
Just enough. Now let's see if my flip game is still on point.
Oh!
Perfect. See, there's nothing to see.
Nothing to see.
We'll edit all this out. Nobody will notice I didn't do this right.
Bucks to the rescue.
Side note, do you guys know the grill's hot?
We're keeping the same.
Okay.
All right.
Let's see it. Let's see your flip game.
Come on, Em. Come on, Em.
Oh! The blueberries.
She She
You
almost
didn't.
made it.
Here's one fatal step I forgot to add in. You got to smush the blueberries to prevent rollage because blueberries are round.
So this is all your fault.
It is.
You're gonna clean all this up, right?
Yeah, I got no worries. Okay, now smash it down very good. Yeah, would you smash mine too? It needs to be smashed. I forgot to smash it. Smash. You want to get that juice really into the bread. Let the bread soak up the honey, the blueberry juice. You just really want a complex, hearty sandwich. Perfect. See, look at that.
Wow.
Look at that beautiful color.
That is
Yes.
actually a very pretty.
Yes. Look at that.
That looks
Look at that. It's gonna be delicious. It's.
amazing.
Do you like jam on your toast?
No.
No? Well, there's always that one person in the room who doesn't like jam.
It actually smells really good though, I'm not gonna
It
lie.
does smell good, but I'm still kind of
We're
The
very-
fact they're doubting my skills like I'm Fuller is a little insulting,
Oh.
but it is what it is.
Well-
All right, plate these.
all right.
Nice and toasty now. Let's see your plate form.
Let's get
Very
another one.
good.
Coach Boggs over here. All right.
I was promised a knife on set. Do you have a knife by chance?
I think we're ready to go ahead and try this.
Wait. The last step, and it's kind of the pied de resistance, is you have to cut them correctly. Let me get my knife out of my sock here.
Oh,
All right.
wow, that's a big sock.
Yeah, the kids say the higher the sock, the cooler the teacher. I don't know. So the trick is when you cut this sandwich, don't cut in half. We want to do trianglettes, right? As
Wow.
they say in French, trianglettes.
Trianglettes.
That's what I learned from Miss Markham, trianglettes.
Okay, trianglettes.
Okay, you try.
All right.
Are those even enough for Mr. Davenport and Mr. Fuller?
Yeah, there's an obtuse in here somewhere, but I'm sure he won't get it.
Okay.
Um,
Gotta get
and
the
then
right
you want
angle.
to, then you want to nicely display your sandwich.
Yeah, we gotta put some levels in there. We have some
That's
color.
right. Boom.
Wow. Your turn, Emily.
Let's see. Ah, beautiful. Look at the plating technique from this Roswell Coyote. That's why she's
Beautiful.
here. She's number
Beautiful
one.
technique.
All right,
Nice.
grab your bite. Make sure you got a blueberry.
You gotta get a blueberry. All right.
I think this one has some.
I promise not to spit it out.
I don't make no promises.
Ready?
Ready?
Cheers.
Weirdly.
It tastes pretty good.
All right, everyone. That's it for this month's edition of Cooking with Coach. I want to thank Coach Boggs, of course, for bringing his special recipe. Thank you, Emily, for always being amazing at teaching our coaches and helping. And I want to say, stay safe and keep cooking, coyotes.
See you guys next time.